AI is transforming how creators thrive on YouTube, giving you the power to boost your revenue while working smarter, not harder. Let's explore how you can leverage AI to elevate your channel. Start with understanding your audience. AI-driven analytics tools like TubeBuddy, VidIQ, or YouTube Studio's advanced features can uncover what your viewers love. Learn about your audience demographics, watch habits, and content preferences. Use this data to refine your video topics, optimize upload times, and even plan seasonal content that resonates. Next, let's talk about visibility. Thumbnails and titles are your first impression, and AI tools can make them irresistible. Platforms like Canva use AI to suggest colors, layouts, and designs that draw attention. Pair that with tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to craft clickable titles optimized for search and curiosity. With better visibility, you'll naturally drive more views and more revenue. AI also revolutionizes content creation. Writing scripts can be daunting, but AI writing assistants can help you brainstorm ideas, write scripts, and even optimize your content for tone and audience. Tools like Descript can automate tedious editing tasks like cutting filler words, creating subtitles, or syncing audio, letting you focus on storytelling and creativity. Monetization doesn't stop at ads, and AI can help you tap into multiple income streams. For example, platforms like Printify or Spring use AI to simplify creating and selling merchandise. You can also use AI to analyze your audience and predict the type of merch they'll love. Similarly, AI-powered email marketing tools like ConvertKit can help you nurture your community and drive sales for exclusive memberships, courses, or products. Don't forget sponsorships. AI tools like GRIN or AspireIQ can connect you with brands that align with your niche and audience. With AI analyzing your metrics, you can pitch yourself more effectively and secure better deals. AI can even expand your reach globally. Tools like VEED or Papercup can automatically generate translated subtitles or dub your videos into different languages with realistic voiceovers. This way, your content isn't just for one audience, it's for the world, opening doors to higher views and new revenue opportunities. Lastly, AI can help you test and iterate. Platforms like Split.io or AI-powered A/B testing tools can analyze what's working, whether it's video lengths, call to actions, or content structure, and give you actionable recommendations. The beauty of AI is that it doesn't replace your creativity, it amplifies it. By using AI to automate repetitive tasks, gain deeper insights, and unlock new revenue opportunities, you can focus on what matters most, creating impactful content and building meaningful connections with your audience. The future of YouTube belongs to creators who embrace innovation. So why wait? Start using AI today to not only boost your revenue, but to make your YouTube journey more efficient and rewarding than ever.